In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify logo bigger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching a new store or you simply want to refresh your shop's appearance, resizing your logo can be a quick and effective way to enhance your brand's visibility and aesthetic appeal. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process. First, you need to navigate to the Shopify website. Open your favorite browser and head over to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, it's time to access your store's backend. Log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. If you've forgotten your login details, take a moment to reset your password to ensure a smooth entry. Once you're in, the real fun begins. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar, which is where you'll find a menu of various options. You want to select Online Store, which will expand to show additional options. From these, click on Themes. The Themes section allows you to manage the look and feel of your online store, and this is where we'll be focusing our attention. Now, with your theme selected, find the Customize button and click it. This brings you into the theme editor, where the magic really happens. In the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store flanked by a menu of customizable sections. We're on the hunt for a section that pertains to the header or logo settings. Depending on your theme, this could be listed simply as header or perhaps under a more general theme settings. Spend a little time exploring these menus to locate the correct section. Once you've found the appropriate section, look for an option that allows you to adjust the logo width or something similar. This setting typically allows you to change the pixel value tied to how large your logo appears on the site. Increasing this value will enlarge your logo, making it more prominent on your storefront. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes until it feels just right for your brand. After you've adjusted the logo size to your desired look, the final step is crucial. Hit the Save button. This step ensures all the changes you've made are applied to your live site. It's always a good idea to check the front end of your store afterward to see how these changes look in action. And there you have it. You've just successfully made your Shopify logo larger in a few simple steps. Remember, a well-sized logo can significantly enhance your online presence and create a more professional look for your store. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.